Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Commode chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OMECAL Folding Commode Chairs, 4-in-1 Portable Heavy-Duty Bedside Commode. The removable wheelbase also allows you to stable the chair or transports it accordingly. Moreover, the waterproof construction makes this bedside commode perfect for showering and toileting. You can simply elevate the chair from 31.5 to 40.8 inch. The chair also comes along with a pair of wheel and tube legs. Furthermore, the metal frame can hold up to 350 lbs of weight. The seat panel comes with a weep hole for passing fluid from the seat. The multifunctional toilet chair is suitable for aged people, pregnant women, bedridden and other people. You can use this chair as a sofa chair, bath chair, and a wheelchair. Moving on at number 4, we have the HEALTHLINE Folding Bedside Commode Chairs. With a simple structure, this commode chair helps senior people to use it with comfort. This 3-in-1 bedside commode also comes along with a commode bucket. Moreover, the folding commode stool has adjustable legs. The rubber caps on the feet prevent the toilet seat from wobbling. The foldable steel frame also allows you to carry this bedside commode from one place to another. Furthermore, you can simply detach the back rail when not in use. The commode seat has safety rails and handles to provide users with the utmost security. You can raise the height of the seat from 15 to 21 inch. At number 3, we have the Carex 3-in-1 Folding Bedside Commode. This highly portable commode chair easily fits the tight space of your SUV, TUV car trunks. The folding toilet seat also works as a toilet safety frame or a raised toilet seat for adults. Moreover, the bedside commode comes with the construction of an ultra-durable, powder-coated steel frame. Therefore, the frame is responsible for holding up to 300 lbs of body weight. The foldable frame design also does not slow down your movement during transportation. Furthermore, the frame comes with a toilet bucket, splash guard, and a lid. The steel frame of this toilet seat lets you adjust the height of the seat accordingly. At number 2, we have the MedPro Homecare Commode Chairs. This commode chair has an uncomplicated design. The adjustable height of the frame also helps you to sit on this toilet seat comfortably. Moreover, the bedside commode comes with the construction of high-density plastic material. You can conveniently use this chair as a raised toilet seat or a toilet safety frame. The toilet bucket also comes with the construction of heavy-duty plastic material. Furthermore, the included splash guard and a lid make this toilet bucket extremely functional. The inbuilt carry handle makes the disposal of wastage hands-free for all. The 300 lbs weight limit makes this seat suitable for most of the adults and senior people. This portable raised toilet seat has a 7 different height adjustment function. And finally at number 1, we have the DMI Rolling Commode Transport Chairs. This commode chair comes with the highest load-bearing capacity of 250 lbs. You can also elevate the seat up to 21 inch from the floor. Moreover, the durable steel frame comes with a rust-proof finish to offer ultimate rigidity. The caster wheels make this toilet seat easy to roll on different terrains. You can use this chair as a toilet or shower seat for patients. The padded seat also includes a hole for the toilet bucket. Furthermore, the lockable mechanism keeps the wheelchair stable on different ground. The padded seat comes with a vinyl coating to offer resistance against water. This toilet seat has padded armrests to deliver both comfort and safety. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.